So good afternoon guys, tonight I'm gonna eat the leftovers from last night. I cooked the zucchini and carrot and onion and capsicum with the turkey mincemeat, you see, and a bit of rice, arborio rice. It's fantastic. This tastes delicious. By the way, I didn't heat it up. Sometimes I like cold food as well. And now I'm gonna take these capsicums and what they call red peppers with cheese. So now I'm gonna take it out. So yeah, there you go. I took them out. They're a little bit hot. Chili, And now I'm gonna cut up some bread. This is lepina, by the way. And I'm gonna cut it up now. So yeah, I've cut up the bread as well. The lepina, it tastes really yummy when it's hot in the morning. 7 o'clock, very hot, It tastes really yummy. So I'm gonna have some of this one, the zucchini and the capsicum and the onion and the carrot and the turkey mincemeat and a bit of rice with the peppers, peppers with cheese, red peppers with cheese. So by the way, I'm gonna put now some lemon juice on there. So yeah, that's it. So put some lemon juice on there. And so much, that's enough. And then stir it through, Nice and easy, Amke's kitchen. Amke's dinner tonight. That's it, I'm here. Enjoy your food. Bon appetit. I'm here, bon appetit. Thanks guys for watching. See you later.